What's up guys, we're back and today we're gonna start the carbon fiber steering wheel for the Supra. This one is gonna look amazing. Let's do it. Okay guys, finally today is the day that we're gonna change the steering wheel. This one, so we're gonna change it for a carbon fiber. So let's unbox it and let's see the new steering wheel. So here is, let's take it out of the box. So we got it. Let me just put it. Oh, this is the steering wheel, and also I got the paddle shifters, and this one I got it from A2Z-Customz. I'm gonna put their Instagram on the description on the video, but let's open it first so you can see it. Look at this. Look at this beautiful thing, the carbon fiber. Looks amazing, man. Look at that. Amazing. So the reason I got blue, because my interior has blue stitching and blue stitching on the seat, so that's why we're gonna put it in blue. And I wanna give a special thanks to Andrew from A2Z-Customz. I'm gonna put their Instagram. If you need a carbon fiber wheel, you can get it through them, and they can make any color carbon fiber, any color for the strip and all that. Also carbon fiber paddle shifter, they have that too. So I'm gonna put the link for the product from this one in the description of the video down below. Okay, and the first step, we have to disconnect the battery, but let me move this out of the way so we don't want to scratch this. This is amazing. Okay, so we're ready. This is 10mm. I need to lose this one. Let's disconnect this one. Okay, we got it. You can see it, the rack. And do not close the hatch, the door, because there's no battery. To open it's gonna be hard. So I'm gonna put a rack here just in case I forget. And I want this to close. I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna leave that there. And now the next step is we have to make holes in this one. You can see there's a line in there. You can see it. Have to make a hole there, right there, and we have to push and press the wheel at the same time. But let me put the camera on the side so we can do it. Okay. Still trying with this, man. This is a pain. This is my first time removing this airbag. They say that it's a like a round spring that you have to push, but I don't know where is it. So I'm moving this one like this and like that, trying to push in this, but man, it's hard. So let me continue with this. Let me see if I can figure it out. All right, finally, after struggling for like 30 minutes, we got it. Okay, so then now the next thing is to disconnect one plug, the white one and this black one. Okay, let's see if we can do it right now. See, one, then the other one. I might need a pick tool to remove it. Yeah, let me get pick tool. Next step is to remove the bolt. This is a 16mm bolt. Some newer Supras from the 2022 and up it has a T6T Torx. It's a different one, okay? But this one is a 16 millimeter. So if you have a 22 model or up model, remember it's gonna be a T6T, okay? Okay, so let's see if this one is not hard too. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so this is the 16 millimeter. Okay, so let's see. Oof, the steering wheel is moving. Let me see if I can hold it like this. Let's start right now. Try the impact first. No. So we got it with the impact. Oh, we have to disconnect this one first. Let me see how. Disconnect this one. We got it. Okay. So, oh, there's another. There's another one here. Okay, disconnect the plugs, this one and this one. There's a line there, and there's one line here, one dot here, and one line here. So now let's assemble this and put this back. First thing, we're gonna transfer these 3 bolts with the plastic to the new steering wheel. Okay, let's remove the rest because I need to do it like this, but I don't want to scratch the plastic. So let's remove the paddle shifters. They have a screw right here. It's a T20. Same thing as this one. It's the T20. So we need to disconnect these blue plugs. And then the other one, same thing. Let's try to remove from that space. Yeah, got it. Got it. One paddle shifter. I'll put it here. The other paddle shifter here. The other one. Okay, now the next step, it has one screw inside there and another screw inside there to remove these plastics. Okay, so let's remove those 2 screws. 1, 2. That's a T25. So I don't know why it doesn't want to come off, but I have a magnet. 1, and then the other one. 2. Let's put it with all the screws. Let's put this in here. And now we can remove this. Oh, in here has like a okay, so there's another connection behind the plastic. Okay, we got it. We got the first part out. So this one's gonna go there. Now let's remove this bottom part. I think we can just pull a little bit, but be careful not to break the clips for this one. Okay. Ooh, this is scary. Ooh, I think I broke one. Oh yeah, I broke one, man. That's why you have to take time, lift it little by little. 2 more screws here on the bottom. 1, 2. T20 screws. Now you can remove this. That we can put this over here. And now we can remove these 3 pieces. I can do it with a screwdriver because I didn't do it before because I didn't want to damage the plastic. But now it's easier. I can do it like this, I think. Yeah. We got one. Put this one. Second one. Put the second one in. Now the other one. Now the last one is this one. Now let's put the screws. This one is ready, we don't need any more. Let's put it on the side. T20 screws. Now let's put the harness back. This one, like this. Put this here. Okay. This one here. Small screws. Two big ones, and two for the paddle shifter and for the plastic. So let's put this one back. Okay, bottom. This one, the plug. Okay. Let's see how to put this on. Make sure this is all the way in. So now let's put the screws. Now the last step is the paddle shifters, but we have new paddle shifters. We have new paddle shifters, so let's install them on the new in here. So this is with this is with this. There's a pin that we have to remove, so let's see if we can get something to push it. Okay, let's see which side is the pin. There's that and there's that, so this one, I think this is the one we have to push. See? Yeah, so you can see the pin right there, so we can pull it out like this. Okay, So I don't want to lose it. It has a, let's see, okay, you have to slide it to the side, so it goes like this. And the pin goes on the bottom. Yeah, the pin goes on the bottom of the paddle shifter. See? The pin goes on the bottom, right there. Make sure it's flush. Sure it's flush. That's the first one. Same thing to the other one. Put that on the side. The pin from the bottom. We push it. Okay. Right there is the pin. Okay. Have to move a little bit like this. Okay. And then the same thing. Be careful, it has a spring in there. Don't lose the spring. Like that. Push a little bit. That's it. Then put it. This one was on the top, so I don't know why, but this one was on the top. I think the head of the pin is always on the right side. Okay. Okay, so now we're ready to install our paddle shifter, new paddle shifter. Look at that. Look at the difference from this. Look at that. It's amazing. Big difference. Okay, so let's put the new paddle shifters on the steering wheel. This one. Let's put the plug first in here. Oh. The wire goes in there. Paddle shifter goes here. That's good. Now let's put the screw. The screw is a T20. Yes. Now let's put the other one. Same way, slide the plug first, then put the paddle shifter and the screw T20. So look at this. Look at that. Looks amazing with the new paddle shifters. Look at that. Also, don't forget to connect the paddle shifters back, okay? So there's one connected and that's the other one connected. Oh, make sure that everything is connected before you put this back. Okay, and also one more thing, this has a dot in there and this one has a line. Okay, you have to align that one like this. Yeah, okay, right there, the dot with the line. Okay, and then the next step is to connect this. Let me see. Yeah, this one. Make sure it's in the right direction. That's the first one. And also connect this one, this plug. Okay, two plugs. One, two. Two plugs. And the last one is this plug and this one to the airbag. But that one I'm gonna put the camera on the side. Before we put this, we have to put the bolt. Okay. The bolt is ready. Okay. Make sure it's tight. Airbag. Okay, make sure it's in the right direction. To connect this plug first. Okay. Connect this plug first, like that, and then connect this plug. And the top plug, you have to put it in the same spot. The top plug, you have to tuck it in there on the plastic. Okay, don't forget to do that. If not, it's gonna block the airbag. So after the plug is stuck in there on the top, make sure it's in there. You can put the airbag. Make sure it's aligned like that, no? Yes, it's straight. Perfect, look at this. Man, it's amazing. So now let's connect the battery back. Okay, let's connect the battery. Okay, make sure it's tight. It's not moving. Right there. Put everything back. Okay, now we can close it. Okay guys, this is how it looks. It looks amazing. I love the design, the style, everything is amazing. The steering wheel is from A2Z-Customz. So that's their Instagram. It's gonna be on the description of the video down below if you wanna get it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video. Subscribe for more videos like this one. If you have a question, put in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.